Welcome back to our live sound and professional venue gear showcase. Today we are performing an intensive technical teardown of the maximum output Flagship in Alto's portable sound reinforcement lineup, built specifically for performers who demand thunderous low-end depth without carrying heavy external bass cabinets. The Alto Professional TrueSonic TS415 powered PA speaker represents an absolute peak achievement in high SPL mobile sound engineering. It is critical to clarify right away that while stepping down to a standard 12-inch PA cabinet works great for basic acoustic sets or public speaking, it will immediately choke and trim away sub-bass frequencies when playing heavy dance tracks, hip-hop, or live rock kick drums, leaving large venue crowds with a thin, uninspired performance. Alto Professional has solved that by loading this massive 2500-watt Class D block with a giant 15-inch high excursion woofer to anchor your entire event venue in rich, physical low-end warmth without needing a separate subwoofer. The foundational hardware success of the TS415 layout centers completely on its massive low-frequency air displacement and raw acoustic loudness. Pushing out 1250 watts of true continuous RMS power, this 15-inch monster hits a staggering peak sound pressure level of 135 decibels while dropping its frequency floor all the way down to a deep 44 Hz. That means you get clean, club-level bass punch that comfortably fills larger gymnasiums, wedding halls, and outdoor pavilions with effortless authority. To keep all that acoustic power perfectly balanced, the speaker runs an intelligent 4-mode digital signal processor linked directly to the Alto Companion smartphone app. Rather than fighting your way behind a loudspeaker stack to tweak knobs mid-gig, you can use your phone over Bluetooth to fine-tune a fully customizable 9-band parametric user equalizer or instantly swap presets to match changing room acoustics on the fly. But where this 15-inch layout truly excels for mobile entertainers is its absolute plug-and-play simplicity and versatile venue configuration. The back panel features an integrated 3-channel mixer containing dual high-impedance XLR 1/4-inch combo inputs with independent mic and line level switches, alongside a dedicated Bluetooth audio streaming track and a fast USB charging port to keep your playback tablets fueled. For massive crowd coverage, you can wirelessly link a matching pair of TS4 cabinets together in true wireless stereo mode, broadcasting high-fidelity split stereo sound over the air with zero signal degradation.